क्वेश्चन important क्वेश्चन लग रहा है रोल ऑफ प्रिंसिपल वाइस प्रिंसिपल एंड टीचर इन बिहेवियरल थ्योरी ऑफ लर्निंग in the behavioral theory of learning which focuses on observable and measurable behavior shaped by environment and reinforcement. The roles of school staffs are designed to structure the environment and consequences to promote desired learning outcomes. The principal, vice principal, and teachers work collaboratively to apply conditioning techniques, operant and classical, to maximize positive behavior and reduce undesirable ones. Role of the principal: the principal acts as the primary architect of the school's behavioral environment, setting top down expectations and a structural system. Point number one: creating a structured environments. The principal establishes school wide rules, schedules, and routines that provide a predictable space for students. Implementing a reward system. Principal oversee school wide reinforcement system such as token economies, behavior contracts, or honors assemblies to reinforce positive behavior. Policy enforcement. They ensure consistency in reinforcement, the reward, and punishment consequences across the school to strengthen behavioral conditioning. Environment modification. Principals manage the overall physical and social environment of the school to enhance learning, such as designing safe, orderly spaces that facilitate focus. Now, role of the vice principal VP. The VP acts as the executor of the behavior plan, dealing with the daily administration and individual cases of behavior management. Managing discipline, corrective feedback. VP is often assisted by counselors, deal directly with the students' discipline, applying the school's behavior modifications, policies for non desirable actions, monitoring monitoring and evaluation. VPs and analyze, managing discipline, corrective feedback. VP is often assisted by counselors, deal directly with the students' discipline, applying their school's behavior modification policies for non-desirable actions. Monitoring and evaluation. VPs analyze behavioral data, maintaining documentation on student misconduct to identify trends and necessary interventions. Implementing behavioral contracts. They often meet with the students and parents to initiate behavior contracts, a behavioral tool specifying goals and rewards. Implementing behavioral contracts, they often meet with the students and parents to initiate behavior contracts, behaviorist tool specifying goals and rewards. Staff support. They assist in training teachers on consistent classroom management techniques, ensuring the teacher stimulus is consistent across the school. Role of the teacher: the teacher is the direct agent of the change, responsible for applying behavior modification tools directly in the classroom. Environmental conditioning: teacher arrange the classroom to promote desired actions such as seating students for optimal focus and minimal distractions. Reinforcement and shaping: teachers provide immediate rewards, praise, stickers, high grades to reinforce desired behavior and gradually reinforce successive approximations of complex task shaping. Modeling behavior: teachers behave as role models, demonstrating the specific behaviors they want students to imitate, as for example, respectful communication. Data driven assessment: teachers use tests, quizzes, and direct observations to track progress, acting on the principle that If a behavior has not changed, learning has not occurred. Direct instructions and drill. They use repetitions, homework, and practice to reinforce stimulus response bonds, particularly in rote learning. समरी टेबल ऑफ बिहेवियरिस्ट रोल, प्रिंसिपल का रोल क्या है, प्राइमरी फोकस क्या है, सिस्टमेटिक स्ट्रक्चर देना, एंड बिहेवियरल एक्शन क्या होगा, क्रिएट्स स्कूल वाइड रिवार्ड, कॉन्सिक्वेंसेज क्या है, कॉन्सिक्वेंसेज एंड पॉलिसीज, ये प्रिंसिपल काम। वाइस प्रिंसिपल क्या होता है, डिसिप्लिन, एक्सक्यूशन, इन्फोर्स कॉन्सिक्वेंसेज एंड मैनेज स्टूडेंट्स फाइल्स। टीचर क्या क्या रोल है, डायरेक्ट इंटरवेंशन है, इंट्रैक्शन करना है, यूजेस री इन्फोर्समेंट, शेपिंग एंड मॉडलिंग इन क्लास। तो ये है हमारा बिहेवियरिस्ट अप्रोच के अनुसार तीनों के रोल, जो कि बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है। थैंक यू।